Hello everyone, this is Mark. In this video, I will have a brief guide of water treater CW5200. This water treater was custom built with cooling capacity 2000 watt, which is equal to 6800 BTU. Before we use it, we need to connect the trailer, also fill coolant. We have two sockets here. One is for the inlet or in, or one is for out. And we need to follow this chart to connect the laser engraving machine. From water trailer, water in, connect to laser cutter or engraving machine, water out. The water out of the water trailer connect to the water in of laser cutter. The order cannot be reversed, otherwise you will not have the laser output. Then remove the cap and fill the coolant from this hole. Suggest to fill 6 liter to 8 liter or 1.6 gallon to 2.1 gallon. After that, recap. We can see the water level in the gauge at the back. This is the gauge. If the water level fall into the portion of the range of green, that's good. If at the red or alarm, that's less. If at the yellow is too many. Now we can see it just fall at the range of green, no problem. Before we connect the power outlet, we need to check the trailer label. For this one is the 220 volt and 50 hertz. If we are live in the US or Canada, we offer 110 voltage, also 60 hertz. Please make sure that fit your country's outlet. Connect it and plug to the outlet. Front panel is quite simple. The alarm indicator, working indicator, T503, temperature controller, and the power switch. Turn on. Okay. Working indicator light. If I press the set button, we can see the temperature setting is 25 degrees. 503 controller. Cooling mode is the constant temperature, and the default temperature is 25, we just see, and the temperature range is between 20 to 30. If you want to change the setting temperature to maybe 19 or 20, we need to use the password here and change the lowest temperature, and then set the temperature to 19. By press the up key and the set key for 5 to 8 seconds. Now I will enter the password as 8 is password and press set. Okay, if I set again, that's the temperature setting. If I want to change the temperature from 25 to 19, I need to change the lowest temperature from 20 to maybe 15. Okay, and set, and then I will go back to the F0, set the temperature. Now I can set the temperature to 19. Okay, and set, and press the reset to return. And now the compressor is start to work. You can hear the sound. Compressor keep cooling the tank. If I go to the back of the chiller and put some bed at the back, you can see the fans below the bed also. If I put my hand at the back, you can feel the hot wind. I use the infrared thermometer to measure the temperature difference. The housing temperature is 29. If I measure the back, it's 39. Obviously it's hot. That means the compressor is working and the heat was exchanged. Some customers asked why the fan is always working. Because the controller of this chiller control the fan always working. No matter it's cooling or in the standby mode, the fan is always working, and you can hear the sound of the fan. Maintenance. This is the dust cover. It needs to be cleaned bi-weekly or monthly, depending on how it's dirty. Otherwise, the cooling effect may drop significantly. The chiller didn't come with the paper menu. If you want to have the menu, there are two ways. One is to scan the QR code here. That will have the menu appear on the phone. And the second way is download from our website. That's all for today's trailer guide. Thank you very much. Bye bye.